All right, Jen. So I see you're reading a nonfiction passage. What are you reading about?
Animals.
Oh, okay. Can you possibly be a little more specific for me?
Mm, baby animals?
That's good. I really liked how you used this type of heading up here to help you figure out that you were doing baby animals. Now, baby animals is what we would call a major heading. Can you find or a major topic? Can you find maybe a subtopic that you were reading about?
Mm, mothers?
No, but that's a good guess. So we're going to try looking at some of the features of the page. So if you come back over here, we have a large bolded section, and this is called a subtopic. So as you're looking, you can use the features and items that you see on the page to help give you more information about what you're reading about.